Welcome to Hyatt Place St. Augustine, Vilano Beach. Today we're touring room 273 on the second floor. Here's the overview of this 423 square foot room with 2 queen beds, a cozy corner with a sofa bed, and a balcony. This comfy seating area in the corner of the room can sit 3 to 4 people, complete with a footrest and a small side table that you can easily move to either side. A large decorative rug adds a touch of style, and an overhead lamp provides ambient lighting for reading or just lounging around. A slender partition wall separates the seating area to the rest of the room. Each guest room at Hyatt Place features a 55-inch HD TV, a work desk with a lamp and chair, a couple of drawers, coat and hat hooks, and a mirror. Over here is the small fridge which can hold your drinks and snacks. On the work desk, you have a phone, a charging station, more drawers here, and additional counter space for your things, and there's also a closet. Let's check out the balcony. There's a couple of outdoor chairs and a small table where I enjoyed coffee and reading in the mornings. So this side of the hotel has a view of the Hampton Inn and Suites, which is that white building. And just beyond the palm trees and the Magic Beach Motel, you'll get a glimpse of the ocean. The beach is only a quick 2-minute walk from your room. Back inside, we found the beds and pillows comfortable. Light sconces accent the wall, and just beneath is a digital clock and another charging station. Over here, there's a laptop-sized locker, some drinking glasses, and the ice bucket. A small coffee maker, and inside the closet there's an iron, hangers, and extra bedding on top. There's also a luggage rack and the ironing board. Now let's check out the bathroom that features a soft close sliding door that is frosted. Inside there's a beautiful artwork. The soft blue walls add a touch of tranquility. There's a sink and a stand-up shower. Inside the shower you have Kent MD, skin and hair products, and some more towels. Let's dive into their breakfast offerings, served daily from 6:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. There's a couple of coffee stations with tea options. Here's where all the food is laid out. Once you come in, you'll see the bread selection they have, including bagels and donut holes. This industrial toaster allows you to toast your bread and bagel in less than 10 seconds. There's water, milk, orange, and apple juice. Here's all the things you can mix to make your hearty oatmeal. There's various cereal, mixed fruit, yogurt, boiled eggs, and stuff to make breakfast burrito. There's scrambled eggs, sausages, breakfast potatoes, and waffles. It's always a plus when your hotel stay includes a hot breakfast. Thumbs up for this video, and if you want to see the rest of Hyatt Place, St. Augustine, Vilano Beach, check out the Hyatt Place Hotel Tour next. Comment and subscribe to discover more of Florida and St. Augustine. Until next time, my name is Grace Joy. See you in the next one.